The vast factory floor echoes with the rhythmic clang of unseen machinery, a symphony of relentless production. Automated arms move with hypnotic precision, a ballet of steel assembling microchips on an endless conveyor belt. Commander Jian Li, in a crisp, immaculate uniform, observes the intricate dance of industrial creation. A faint, almost imperceptible smile plays on his lips, a silent acknowledgement of the meticulous order before him. The first blush of dawn kisses a sprawling Chinese industrial city, painting the sky with soft hues. Thousands of factory smokestacks pierce the emerging light, a silent army reaching for the sky. From their mouths, plumes of white smoke ascend, merging into an ethereal mist that softens the harsh lines of industry. The city awakens with a palpable hum, an almost visible energy vibrating through its vast expanse. This relentless pulse of production and economic might is a testament to its unyielding power. Jian Li sits at his polished desk, a fortress of intricate schematics and towering economic reports. He sips from a delicate porcelain teacup, his gaze unwavering on a shimmering holographic globe. The globe pulsates with a complex, glowing web of global trade routes, all converging from his nation. Each luminous line represents a world relying on his decisions, a silent, immense burden. The weight of global reliance is etched deep on Jian Li's face, a testament to his silent struggle. Jian Li walks into a different section of the factory, the air thrumming with the powerful hum of unseen machinery. Sleek robotic arms move with astonishing, fluid grace, meticulously assembling smartphones with silent precision. The factory floor pulses with the rhythmic dance of automation, a testament to advanced engineering. Jian Li observes, a silent witness to the perfect, intricate ballet of technology. He picks up a newly finished smartphone, feeling its smooth, cool surface, a marvel of modern design. This device, soon to be held in a distant hand, represents the intricate connection of human ingenuity and global reach. Under the vast sky, a modern highway stretches, a ribbon of asphalt gleaming under the sun's harsh gaze. A relentless river of vehicles, from sleek compact cars to powerful heavy-duty trucks, surges forward. The sun's fierce rays dance off metallic surfaces, creating dazzling flashes that blur the moving forms. Each vehicle, a testament to industry, carries within it the unseen legacy of Jian Li's vast manufacturing empire. The endless flow of traffic silently proclaims the pervasive, undeniable reach of their unseen influence. From his office window, Jian Li, a solitary figure, surveys the factory complex, a sprawling network of lights against the night. The rhythmic, continuous hum of machinery rises, a familiar and oddly comforting sound in the vast darkness. A cold, unsettling thought whispers through his mind. What if this intricate dance of production ceased? His brow furrows, and a flicker of unease crosses his eyes, momentarily darkening his expression. The factory floor pulsates with an unsettling, erratic glow, as if the air itself breathes a sinister light. Jian Li, a silent observer, feels a prickle of dread crawl up his spine as the eerie light dances around him. The rhythmic clatter and hum of the machines falter, a chilling beat missed in the factory's heart. For a split second, silence reigns, amplifying the dread before the machines grind back to life with renewed fury. The relentless operation resumes, but the unsettling pulse of light lingers, a testament to the night's strange power. The automated lines, once a vibrant blare, grind to an abrupt, jarring halt. Robotic arms freeze mid-assembly, microchips suspended in air like frozen birds. The once vibrant hum of industry dies, replaced by an eerie, profound silence. The vast factory hall echoes with the sudden, deafening void of sound. Jian Li stands alone amidst the silent giants, swallowed by the overwhelming quiet. The colossal factory hall stands as a cavernous tomb, its dormant machinery shrouded in an eerie stillness. Dust motes dance like spectral spirits in the few remaining shafts of light, illuminating the silent behemoths. Jian Li walks slowly, his solitary footsteps echoing through the vast, empty space. Each step amplifies the profound silence, a stark contrast to the expected industrial roar. The sheer scale of the stillness presses down, a heavy blanket of forgotten potential. The container port, once a vibrant hub of ceaseless activity, now lies eerily silent under a desolate sky. Giant cranes, like skeletal giants, pierce the empty air, their metallic arms frozen in eternal waiting. These colossal structures, designed for constant motion, stand motionless, monuments to forgotten commerce. Their massive hooks, meant to grasp and lift, hang idle, reaching for cargo that will never arrive. The air itself feels heavy, with a palpable weight of stagnation, a silent testament to the port's demise. A profound stillness engulfs the landscape, where echoes of past industry now only whisper through the deserted docks. The vast, shimmering expanse of the open sea stretches endlessly under the bright sun. Deceptively serene, colossal cargo ships, silent steel behemoths sit idle, their presence a stark interruption of the ocean's rhythm. Their decks are stacked high with a vibrant, silent testament to global commerce, now frozen in time. The gentle rocking of the waves seems to mock the stillness, a cruel whisper against the backdrop of economic paralysis. An unintentional maritime blockade forms a stark visual metaphor for a world brought to an agonizing pause. A giant television screen dominates the bustling newsroom, flashing urgent headlines about global supply chain disruptions. Anchors with grim faces deliver news, their voices a constant, low hum beneath the office's cacophony. Keyboards clatter and phones ring, creating a frantic symphony of activity. The rapid-fire updates on the screen paint a picture of an escalating crisis. Each new report appears more dire than the last, deepening the sense of urgency. The newsroom is a hive of anxious energy, reflecting the unfolding global turmoil. Jian Li stands before a massive monitor, his reflection a stark silhouette against the flickering news report. The screen flashes with a grim pronouncement. Global supply chains constrict, then collapse. A muscle jumps in Jian Li's jaw, a silent tremor of profound unease. His premonition, a gnawing dread, now blossoms into a chilling reality before his very eyes. The stark words on the screen echo the collapse of his world, confirming his deepest fears. The stock exchange floor pulses with a frantic energy as screens worldwide glow an angry digital red. Numbers plummet with terrifying speed, lines on graphs plunging downwards into an abyss of loss. Traders on the floor are caught in a maelstrom, their voices rising in a desperate, panicked chorus. Faces are contorted in raw terror and disbelief, a chilling tableau of impending financial ruin. A digital hemorrhage unfolds, a vivid, horrifying display of collapsing value across global markets. The air crackles with an electric tension, a palpable sense of doom as fortunes vanish in mere moments. A pristine boardroom, once a beacon of calm confidence, now hums with an unnerving silence, a tableau of dread. Executives, their faces stark and pale, stare fixedly at a large projection screen, their eyes reflecting a chilling despair. A stark red line on the screen plummets relentlessly, a brutal visual of stock prices in a terrifying freefall. Shock and despair are deeply etched onto their features. A silent scream of impending disaster. The palpable weight of their company's impending collapse presses down, bowing their shoulders. They slump in their expensive chairs, defeated as the abyss of financial ruin looms before them. Supermarket shelves stand barren and desolate, a stark testament to a world stripped of its necessities. Gas station pumps bear out of order signs, their hoses coiled uselessly, echoing a silent, profound despair. Long lines of unemployed workers stretch down city blocks, their faces etched with a haunting, collective despair. Factory gates are chained shut, paint peeling, standing as silent, still monuments to a world suddenly bare. In a dimly lit office, Jian Li hunches over his desk, a single low-wattage lamp casting a stark glow on his weary face. Outside his window, the vibrant city blurs into muted colors, its usual energy subdued, mirroring his inner turmoil. He feels the crushing weight of the world's dependence on his nation, a burden heavy on his shoulders. This dependency, once a strength, has now become a profound vulnerability, a silent threat looming in the night. the colossal factory. Once a hive of industry, now stands shrouded in an unnatural, profound darkness. Only the stark, flickering emergency lights pierce the gloom, casting ominous, stretching shadows. These elongated silhouettes dance like spectral figures across the desolate, silent grounds. A sorrowful quiet hangs heavy in the air, a deep silence that echoes the factory's abandonment. In his darkened office, Jian Li gazes into the window's reflection, city lights a blur behind him. The distant glow of the city lights behind him appears to be fading, a silent, dying ember in the night. His face, etched with a grim understanding, reveals the true depth of the catastrophe unfolding. He sees beyond mere economic ruin, envisioning a profound global collapse. The world he once knew crumbles, replaced by a stark, silent new reality. From the ashes of industrial might, a new, terrifying world silently emerges before his eyes. The sun, a fiery orb, crests the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, a desolate beauty unfolding. Nascent light stretches long, distorted shadows from skeletal cranes across the concrete expanse of the deserted port. The sea, a vast, placid sheet of glass, reflects the dawn's glow, its surface unbroken by any vessel. Docks, once alive with commerce's symphony, now lie barren and silent, a stark testament to a lost world. An unsettling quiet hangs heavy in the air, a profound silence echoing the rhythms of a world reshaped.